Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video, your go-to spot for uplifting your mind and spirit. Today, we're diving into the world of mindfulness and mental fitness. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our wellness journeys. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle, forgetting to pause and live in the moment. That's where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the now, without judgment. It's about appreciating the current moment and not getting overwhelmed by the past or future. So why practice mindfulness? Studies have shown it can reduce stress, enhance performance, gain insight and awareness through observing our own mind, and increase our attention to others' well-being. It's not just about mental health. Mindfulness can improve physical health too, reducing symptoms of various conditions like heart disease and lowering blood pressure. Let's try a couple of simple mindfulness exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. First, the mindful breathing technique. Just take a moment to focus solely on your breath. Breathe in, hold for a few seconds and breathe out. Notice the sensation of the air moving through your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Next, we have the body scan exercise. Close your eyes and focus on each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving upwards. Notice any tension and consciously relax those muscles. It's amazing how this can release stress. Practicing mindfulness doesn't require special tools or too much time. It's about being present in whatever you're doing, whether it's eating, walking, or even listening to someone. It's about experiencing life as it unfolds. And that's a wrap on mindfulness and mental fitness. Remember, like any other skill, mindfulness takes practice. Start small and gradually increase your practice time. Share in the comments how mindfulness has impacted your life or any questions you might have. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay mindful and keep thriving.